Welcome guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard laptop motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here the search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this is all specifications and configurations and details also. Then click to product. Then click on the title. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system which is your required driver. So you can install and watch this video to install the driver. And both are also there, is Windows 10 and 11 like that. So first audio driver, you can see here, click to download. This is HD audio driver, you can see here. And this is downloaded. Open and just double click to and then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. It will close automatically when this is done. So guys, it is close means it is install chipset, AMD chipset driver. You can see this size 63 MB and try to install always latest driver and click to download. So guys, it is done. Just open it and you can see this is extracted driver. So you have to double click and then you require administrator rights. Click on yes. Now you can see this is installing. Click and done. LAN driver, you can see Realtek LAN driver and click to download and open it. Double click to open because this is extracted. Then yes. So this automatically close. It will done. So Bluetooth driver and see this is Bluetooth driver 8851. This is version and this is latest. And click to download and open this driver and double click to access this. Then yes. And closed. Wi-Fi driver, so you can see this is Wi-Fi and just click to download. open this, which is downloaded Wi-Fi driver. Yes, extract to your system. Now you can see this is downloading. So guys, this is installed and then close it. Thank you.